Hello students, how are you all? Today we are going to learn EVS lesson number 3, A Day with Nandu. By looking at the first page of lesson number 3, we can understand that here the story of an elephant is given. And you can see that in the picture a baby elephant is there. So let's start the lesson. Student, pay attention in this video and keep your finger on page number 17, chapter number 3, A Day with Nandu. Nandu is a baby elephant. He was sleeping. He woke up suddenly. Suddenly means all of a sudden. Where was he? He was not sure. It seems to him that he was surrounded by a forest of a big grey tree trunks. Students, have you seen a forest of big grey tree trunks? No, right? See that. He was nervous. Oh, mother was there only. The grey forest that he had imagined he was in was actually the legs and trunks of his family members. Actually, Nandu was a baby elephant. So he was surrounded by a big elephants of his family members. And that's why their legs and trunks resembling him as he was in a forest of a big grey tree trunks. Understand, children? Nandu's Nani is the oldest in this herd of elephants. Nani means what? Mother's mother is called Nani. And herd of elephants means there is a group of elephant is called herd. Okay? At noon, she trumpeted a loud sound and started moving towards the jungle. Trumpet means a loud sound made by an elephant. Nandu's Nani is the oldest elephant in this herd, and she trumpeted a loud sound and started moving towards the jungle. The other female elephants started to follow her. Nandu also went with them. See that. This was the scenario of the Nandu. The herd reached the jungle. All female elephants went to different places and started eating twigs and leaves of different trees. What do you mean by twigs? Twigs means branches of a tree. After eating, they moved towards the river. The baby elephant enjoyed playing in water. Nandu's mother lay down in the water and mud. You can see that elephants enjoy in playing with water and they want to sit in the mud for a longer period of time. This way they enjoy there. You can see that in the picture also the elephants, that is a group of elephants, is enjoying in the water and mud. Do you know that an adult elephant can eat more than 100 kilograms of leaves and twigs in one day? Elephants do not rest very much. They sleep only 2 to 4 hours in a day. Elephants love to play with mud and water. The mud keeps their skin cool. Their big ears also work like fans. The elephants flap these to keep themselves cool. This way the elephants make their body cool. Means to play in the mud and water. Right? And the ears are also flapping and it acts like a fan. So this way the elephants make their body cool. Understand, children? Now next is find out. Nandu is only 3 months old, but he weighs 200 kilograms. What is your weight? For example, my weight is 20 kilograms. You can say that. How many children like you will add up to find out Nandu's weight? So here the answer is 10 children of my weight will add up to Nandu's weight. Students, don't write answer in the textbook. I will be sending you the separate PDF for all the questions given in the textbook. So in that all the answers will be given at that time. You can copy down in the textbook. Okay. Now next is, you can see that a group of elephants are swimming and playing in the water. They are enjoying and they are throwing each other water. You can see that in the picture? Yes. Now the next is fun and games. Nandu saw his brothers and sisters pulling one another's tails. He thought, I better not go near them. What if they fall on me? I'm still small. He quietly went and stood near his mother. Nandu was actually afraid that his brother or sister may fall on him. So he don't want to go near them. Mother gently pushed Nandu towards the water as if she was telling him to go and play. Nandu loved to play in water. His cousins were already there. Just as he reached near, a strong fountain of water fell on his head. He got wet. Oh, this was the work of his naughty cousins. Nandu joined them in the game. I'm sure children, you also like to play in water, right? If your brother and sister are also playing in the water, you also like to throw waters on them, just like Nandu's cousin have done. Am I right? Yes. On page number 20, put the fingers on this paragraph. Before sunset, the herd started back towards the jungle. By then, Nandu was very tired. He settled himself between his mother's front legs and fell asleep as he drank her milk. You see that because Nandu has done so much masti and naughtiness in the water, so he was tired. You have read about Nandu and the elephant herd. A herd may have 10 to 12 female elephants and young ones. The oldest female is the leader of the herd. Male elephants live in the herd till they are 14 to 15 years old. Then they leave their herd and move around alone. Nandu will also leave his herd when he is that much old. So you can now identify that Nandu is a male elephant, right? And as we know here, the oldest female is the leader of the herd. And here, who is the leader of the herd? Nandu's Nani. She is the oldest female in the herd of elephant. So, she is the leader of the herd. A herd may have 10 to 12 female elephants and young ones. In herd, only female elephants and young ones live together. Understand, children? So we know so much about the elephant as well as of Nandu. In next video, we will understand about different animals. So, till then, thank you.